Alright, in this quick video, I'm going to show you a DIY 9-volt pigtail that I made. Basically what you need is two of these 9-volt snaps. You can pull them off a 9-volt battery. If you use one, look for the cardboard style ones. The plastic ones will also work, but they'll melt. So be careful if you use those. These are often old Duracell, and Energizer had them, and the Eveready ones might. So check all your old 9-volt batteries before you throw them out. And then that just goes all the way to here. See? And do observe polarity. Because one of these is the source, and one's the what goes into your device. This is the part that hooks into the 9-volt battery, but instead I'm going to use something like this. It's going to be for my alarm clock. So this would plug into here. See, the minus. And I use the gray wire. I know it's a little washed out. That's a little better. So the gray wire goes there. And then you fill this with double A's. And then this goes into your alarm clock. That's for when the power goes out. I know you can put a 9-volt battery in there, but this will last a lot longer. You get about 8 hours on one of them 9 volts. So this should last a lot longer. Well, hope you liked this one. Quick video, but hope you enjoyed it.